Welcome back to another training video today. This is Mark Claiborne, the founder of ClientDisputeManagerSoftware.com and lead trainer and coach for Top Traffic Secrets Gurus Don't Want You to Know. Today we're going to continue today, and today we're going to talk about, again, how to become an expert and how to gain more customers by becoming an expert in one particular subject. As you can see in the back of me right here, I have Netflix on. That's right, I have Netflix. That's my TV. That's a 90-inch screen TV. It's pretty big, as you can see. As I walk back here, as you can see, I'm standing right here, as you can see, and the TV is huge, okay? And as you can see right there, it says, Dad, that's me. It says Rose, that's Rose. It says Sandy, that's my daughter. And I don't know who that is on the other side. All right. So let's talk about how to become an expert and gain more customers by becoming an expert in your particular area. I've been talking about this. This is day 4. I'm going to continue talking about this until I can get you guys to become an expert in your industry. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at this clipboard right here, and we want to determine what can you do, what kind of tools online can you use to help you identify your expertise. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first tool we're gonna look at is Ubersuggest right here. This is Ubersuggest. That is the first tool we're gonna look at. You can use Ubersuggest to do research the different type of topics that people are searching for. So Ubersuggest is pretty much a keyword-based tool that would allow you to search keyword volume to see what type of topics people are searching for. Now, the second one is YouTube. YouTube, again, is another search engine owned by Google, and you can search you can search YouTube based on keywords to see what type of videos people are searching for. And based on the type of videos that people are searching for, you can determine how and when to become an expert, or what type of topics people are looking for. So this is how you can identify exactly what your expertise is based on what people are searching for. Look, I'm sorry if the background is distracting you. Again, if you're just watching, this TV is large. As you can see right here, I'm standing next to the TV. It's a 90-inch screen TV. As you can see, look at my arm stretch. And I'm still not even near the end of this TV. It's pretty big. All right, that's my TV, okay? Again, so we talked about Ubersuggest, we talked about YouTube. So now the next one is Google. All right, there it is, Google right there. Google, okay? You can use Google Keyword Planner, or you can just search in Google. You can search for things that you think that you're good at, and you can see if people are searching for that. All right, so we talked about Ubersuggest, we talked about YouTube, and we talked about Google. Now the fourth thing you can do, the fourth place that you can look to see if there is anybody in your industry, anybody in your niche, is Facebook groups. That's right. You see, Facebook is not just a social media place, it's actually a search engine in itself. It's a search engine in itself. That's right. So people are searching as well. So if you go to the tab at the top, the search bar, and you click on the icon groups, search for whatever it is that you are trying to be an expert in, and to see what type of groups come up. And when you see what type of group comes up, it will determine whether you should think about going after that niche at all. All right, so here's your assignment today. I want you to use these 4 platforms right here. I want you to use these 4 platforms, Ubersuggest, YouTube, Google, and Facebook. Oh, that's Netflix. Yeah, you see right there, it says Netflix in the corner. Oh, they're just showing different movies. Okay, so again, like I said, use these 4 right here, determine exactly what you want, become an expert, and get more customers. You get more customers, you get more people to trust you, you build more credibility when you become an expert in your particular field. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Hey, listen again, Mark Claiborne, founder of Client Dispute Manager Software.com and the lead instructor for Top Traffic Secrets Gurus Don't Want You to Know. That's my new event that's coming in July. Check it out. Until next time, I'll see you again.